Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. So how to make a pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, here we open our PowerPoint application on the computer. Create a new workpage. Well, here it is already on the PowerPoint workpage. To make a pie chart, first we go to the Insert menu. To the right, tap icon, Chart. Then many chart options will appear. Here we choose Pie. Well, here there are many pie chart options. Here I just choose Pie. Well, tap OK. Now here it is visible. An empty pie chart appears. Now for this table. As input data on the pie chart. First here I will change the title to Sales Handphone. Then enter the data one by one. First, iPhone. 270, Samsung. 200, Oppo. 120, Lenovo. 180, Nokia. 100, Acer. 70, and LG, 30. Now here we move the data table to match it later. Now here for example want to display data. Right tap on the pie chart. Select Add Labels Data. But here the data is still in the pie chart. I want to remove it. The method, right-click on the pie chart. Select Format Data Labels. Now on the right side there are many options for the position of the data labels. I choose the outside end. To display the percentage label, right-click on the pie chart. Select Format Data Labels. Now on the right side there are many options. To display the percentage we check Percentage. Next, if you want to display the item name, right-click on the pie chart. Select Format Data Labels. Now on the right side there are many options to display the item name. Check Category Name. Here it is visible, name, amount, percentage. We can also change the model of the pie chart. Go to the Chart Design menu. Now here there are many choices of pie chart designs according to your wishes. Pie charts make it easier to present data by displaying proportions or percentages visually. This chart helps the audience understand information faster, grab attention, and compare data easily. So that's it. Tutorial how to make a pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.